Hi everyone! This video will go over the key terms for Chapter 32, which is about real estate and other investment options. In Section 1, we will be looking at real estate. Okay, so real estate is land and anything that is attached to it, such as buildings or natural resources. Residential property is property in which an individual or family lives. A real estate agent is a person that is licensed to arrange the buying and selling of homes and other types of real estate. Equity is the value of a piece of property less the amount that is still owed on the money borrowed to purchase it. Income property is property that is used to generate income. Rental property is any type of dwelling unit or other property that is rented for a length of time. And undeveloped property is unused land that is intended only for investment purposes. All right, now we're going to be moving on to Section 2, which is about other investment options. All right, so to diversify means to vary investments in order to spread risk or to expand. Precious metals are valuable ores such as silver, gold, and platinum. Precious gems or gemstones are rough mineral deposits, usually crystals, that are dug from the earth by miners and then cut and shaped into brilliant jewels. A commodities exchange is an exchange where investors can buy contracts for quantities of a given commodity for delivery at a future date. Collectibles are items that appeal to collectors and investors. And fraud is the crime of obtaining money or some other benefit by deliberate deception. Okay, so those are the key terms for Chapter 32. Thanks for watching this video, and have a great day.